What's up, fam? Welcome back. It is a day off again. It's really early in the morning, it's probably about 20 past 4. Time for another video. Time for another photos. I'm heading to Kings Beach this morning. I'm chasing flow. Explain to you what flow I'm chasing when I get down there. But a little bit overcast. Light's starting to come up. What a way to start the morning. Hear the birds in the background. Let's get going. Cheers. I'm here, fam. It's a little bit windy, so I don't know how the wind noise is gonna be. But let's get down there. Let's get some photos. We'll try and get some photos. Now, the flow I was talking about is the water flow. So I'm gonna do some long exposure photography, try and get some nice movement in the water, giving me lines and stuff like that, swirl patterns and that. She is coming up to a high tide. So the best part about seascapes, guys, is basically your composition changes every single day, every hour of the day. You're never going to have the same one. Always changes. So that's a great part about landscape photography with seascapes. So let's get down, try and find a composition. I've got to be careful because I know it's slippery down here. Let's see if I can find something. Sorry if the wind is getting too noisy, but it is just starting to pick up. So let's get down, let's find something and see what we can do. Cheers. Starting to kick off in the sky, but oh my god, the first photo I did, oh, it was absolutely beautiful. See what it looks like when I get back in Lightroom. I just loved it, really did. So guys, what I'm doing is I'm running my Haida filter systems this morning. I'm just waiting for water to come in. Oh, the sky's kicking. So we've got a lot of rainstorm over here, over there, which is looking magical in the corner of the frame of the photo. Come on, Mr. Water, water, water. Yeah, we'll go with that one. But, so, like I was saying, I'm running my Haida filters. Got my polarizer on just to cut the glare on the water. Sorry if it looks like I'm taking photos, but I'm waiting for that water, that flow to come in, like I was saying. And here comes one now. No, not quite high enough. Yeah, so running the Haida filter, and oh, there we go. That's nice. Yeah, Haida filter, polarizer, but I'm also running their reverse grad. So with the sun coming up, it actually keeps the horizon really dark and then keeps all that nice beautiful colour in the sky. So I can try and brighten up this foreground and still, try that one, and try and keep the colour in the sky and everything like that. So these reverse grads do really help from different situations to sunrises and sunsets, where it's right on that horizon. You got beautiful colours in the cloud. So it is a pretty useful filter to use. But oh, I'm glad it is a little bit windy and I can't get the drone up, but I am glad that I got up, come out, and I'm getting this flow. I have no idea what this is going to look like, but hey, I can get back into it. Talk to you later. Cheers. back up. I think I got some really nice photos, so we'll see when I get home. Had the ship in the background go through the photo, so we'll see how that turned out. But the sun is fully up now, so saying that, that's done for me. Had so much fun playing with the flow. This afternoon I'm going to go to Point Cartwright, hopefully the weather plays good, and I'm going to go and chase flow there too, in a different sort of way. Should be another high tide, so fingers crossed for that. And I'll see you this afternoon on the next vlog. Here's the photos now. Cheers guys for watching. See you on the next one. Thanks for coming.